Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Simplify Your Home with Sandhya. In this video, I'm going to show you the brand new Geek RoboCook Zeta 5 11-in-1 automatic cooker that does 11 things including sauteing, steaming, slow cooking, baking and pressure cooking. I believe that Geek RoboCook is not a cooker, it's a cook. RoboCook is an intelligent electric pressure cooker with programmable intelligent cooking. This is Geek RoboCook 5-liter electric pressure cooker. It comes with a user manual, a 100 recipes book, a measuring cup, an electric cord, a pair of silicone heat gloves, a rice spatula, and a 5-liter non-stick cook pot. Geek RoboCook elegantly replaces the need to use kadai, pressure cooker, saute pan, rice cooker and multiple smaller vessels for cooking, which plays a crucial role to save space in the Indian kitchen. It has a soft touch digital touch panel with 20 preset menus indicating the real-time left for cooking that helps us to multitask easier and better. To open the cooker, just turn the lid towards your left and lift the lid. Here on the lid, this plate can be removed easily like this for cleaning. Here on the lid handle, this is the pressure release valve button. Geek RoboCook cooks variety of popular Indian dishes. The main dishes that can be made are rice, dal, sambhar, pongal, fish, chicken and biryani. Now, let's cook sprouts curry in Geek RoboCook. First, connect the power cord to the RoboCook. Press the on button to power on the Geek RoboCook and press saute option. Add 3 to 4 spoons ghee or oil. Add cumin seeds, biryani leaves, cloves and other spices. Add 2 chopped onions and saute them until they reach golden brown color. Add 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 2 center slit green chilies. Always use wood or silicone spatula to cook. Add 3 chopped tomatoes and stir well. Add salt according to your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Add pepper according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of jeera powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Now, saute for a minute. Finally, add soaked sprouts and water as per required and stir the mixture well. Place the closed lid over the top and turn towards the pointer in close position. Now, press cancel button to stop sauteing. Now, press dal or chana preset button on the RoboCook. It takes few minutes for RoboCook to do pre-cooking. After pre-cooking is done, the cooking countdown will appear and starts down from 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking, it stops with a beep sound and automatically switches to keep warm mode. Press cancel button if warming is not required. Always remember to release the pressure valve after cooking. Just push the pressure valve button towards the left. After the pressure is released completely, twist the lid towards your left and remove the lid. Yummy sprouts curry is ready. Look how the Geek RoboCook has perfectly cooked the curry. Now, let's cook rice. Add 3 cups of rice, 6 cups of water. Add half spoon of oil or ghee to the mixture. This keeps it non-sticking to each other and makes it fluffy to consume. Place the closing lid over the top and turn towards your right. Press the rice preset button in the RoboCook. After 10 minutes of cooking, it stops with a beep sound and automatically switches to keep warm mode. Always remember to release the pressure by pulling down the pressure button. After releasing the pressure, turn the lid towards your left and lift the lid. Piping hot rice is ready. See how the RoboCook has perfectly cooked the rice? Now, let's see the buttons or functions on the digital panel of the Geek RoboCook. This is the on or off button. Press this button to power on or to power off the RoboCook. This is the rice preset button. Press this button to cook rice. To reduce or to increase the duration, press taste button. This is the dal or chana preset button. Press this button to cook dal or chana. To reduce or to increase the duration, press taste button. This is the Sambhar or gravy preset button. Press this button to cook Sambhar or to cook any other gravy curries. This is the Pongal or Khichdi preset button. Press this button to cook Pongal or Khichdi. This is the Idli preset button. Press this button to cook soft and fluffy idlis. This is the Saute preset button. Press this button to saute. This is the manual button. Use this button to manually set the duration of cooking. This is the non-veg preset button. Use this button to cook pulao, biryani, meat, chicken and fish. This is the cancel button. Press this button to cancel any cooking program. This is the delay timer button. Press this button to delay start the cooking program. We can delay start the cooking program from 30 minutes to 24 hours. And coming to my review on Geek RoboCook, I believe that the Geek RoboCook gives more comfort in cleaning as every portion is detachable, including its inner part. Trust me, Geek RoboCook is amazing, which makes our cooking easier. It saves time and energy. Don't give a second to think. It's worth your penny. You're with safe hands. All the buying links are given in the description box of the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like the video, please share it with your family and friends. Thank you.